In this video, I'll show you how to add social media links to YouTube video description with icons. To get started, go ahead and open YouTube Studio on your browser. You can also access their official application on your device. Head over into the settings section, which you'll find at the left side of your screen. Head over into the upload defaults, which you'll find at the left side of the pop-up. Now go ahead and incorporate the social media links with icons in this description section of the basic info. So this would basically automatically be added into each of your posts on your YouTube channel. So this description will automatically be added into each of your posts. Make sure to place the social media links that you have in the description. You can also incorporate icons by using emojis, and that's basically how you can add social media links to YouTube video descriptions with icons. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.